your updates I did bremo and ne edwa day. Meaning say what say what video one as a ukuta phone now tablets now share I bet so only a bit now. Don't share the enemy real update about the kind side the mamo. Now very first update I did mamo honorable Napo. You know him say before NPP before by na ono energy minister. Na ensem bebre ebobo baye. Yebeka ya you started here some past officials or NPP aban mu no honorable Napo di betu dwa so no de invite no no ne de no underground kakra ono ye friend na no on twen ma yes sa police for money fee any NIB for money fee ansan na wa sorry say okọ na so ma betam no de nakọ enti na ono ankasa invite upon invite and the brand na ni nyina na o anasa invite no na and then finally and almost charge and I said in somewhere a course so when he was energy minister in relation to a electricity company of Ghana as at that time na Mahama Dubik or no and a year ECG boss and send the other for once you can see on our screens now no yes say breaking energy minister Napo and Dubik Mahama fingered in a jaw-dropping 9 billion ECG contract scandal. Case sent to the Attorney General for prosecution. Where every Honorable John Abdullah Janapo and now or visit a electricity company of Ghana or office back on the 2 many saying I kai say at a point. Now yes ECG for containers SBI or containers SBI so containers need about 2,500 of those containers no. To see a material recover are transported about 1,500 of them at a free a year port as a CAD or making sure some distribute original offices electricity company of Ghana original offices now something in an say at a point ECG realizes say here a lot of transformers are already made juma and the process ni mo and electricity company of Ghana board EG2 say okay with this procurement you approve 3 billion Ghana cedis now when and I go here and crack you say in as much as said the board approved 3 billion Ghana cedis no you say honorable Napo energy minister as at that time on the ECG boss or metimi ahwemo said the idea betu dwa no ahwemo ama omo bloated figure from 3 billion to 9 billion dollars 9 billion Ghana cedis sorry 9 billion Ghana cedis nimpo no omo afa anya de wo so omo de yo instead of saying come back crack transformers because as at that time ECG needed transformers rather no omo crack cables any wooden poles and I said yes poles yeah tick the tick na ye. Now the funny thing Granny says thick wood the ECG poles Ghana high say and companies are almost exporting be free her and they it was very shocking say employment me have our contract impo Ghana company no omokokra edi free South Africa and na omo buy so at a point they realized that ECG warehouse ebi what tema any yes tema see I want start so moving the money be just to clear space so who say and most of them and who here all because procurement process any and wasn't common here due diligence also common here and son of master start procurement a year process we know or man faso and for ama abogana any electricity company of Ghana na ngasa etimi abo say from a year honorable John Abdullah Janapo or the other two guys say the documents ni na contracts are breach here procurement processes are wasn't come fast one or fan chain baby yes our procurement way na only thing na come attorney general yeah kekasike we instead of 3 billion no and you put 3 billion they wasn't come there no and you no more there now what's our growth figure from 3 billion to 9 billion a year Ghana cedis and it's a CID that is the breaking news and as an updater now containers in the yetimi clear about 1,005 of them out of the 2,500 plus no yetimi clear be as I say or distribute their original offices electricity company of Ghana so they make sure say they will put these materials into good use. In as much as say na ehu and say aba enti I was say making sure say you use sa enema we. Enti this is the current update. This is a jaw dropping 9 billion Ghana cedis. ECG contract scandal. Now when Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh ono akasa so de nsem bia betudwa. Or say public service is a lifelong course, one that no one ever truly completes. To serve well, we must keep learning, growing, and renewing our understanding of the people and institutions we serve. Each new insight, each moment of reflection prepares us to lead with purpose and serve our people better. Motivational Monday. Yes, Ceci idea. Only Ghana na onsɛm yi nyinaa bɔbɔ baeɛ no na ɔno nso de this subtle jab de aba bɛto dwa. And a lot of questions are ongoing. Sisi wohwɛ mu paa, it is one of the biggest scandals electricity company of Ghana ɔmo ɛtumi afɛsi sisi. And when you look at some of these things now, ɔrɛ ɛtumi aho papa say as a Ghana citizen nsɛm say ekoso na yentimi hu ni pumasi bra obibia enti yehwe SSC charges number documents na call attorney general. These are the alleged charges 9 billion Ghana cedis ye bia and also ebetimi ede akwakosi on our screens and some ekoso we know say judges and I say court breaker can area Office of the Special Prosecutor Ghana. Also, the Office of the Special Prosecutor has today amended the charges against the accused persons in the Republic versus Mustafa Abdul Hamid and 9 others case, increasing the counts from 25 to 54 following the discovery of new evidence from ongoing investigations. The case is being heard this morning in court. Yes, and the Office of the Special Prosecutor case with the Republic versus Mustafa Abdul Hamid and then confirm upon investigations counts and as a case counts no free 25 to 54 because discovery of new evidence is biaba bebre no anama count no no. This is the new update Office of the Special Prosecutor de abraye na yebeka this particular case ye ka ho asem sese ya yenim say honorable Mustafa, yes, honorable Mustafa Abdul Hamid on it 9 judges no. Yes, now they have 54 criminal charges against officials of the National Petroleum Authority and several associated companies for alleged large-scale extortion, abuse of public office, and money laundering. And you say at a point, you had to just say, "Oh, I did this. Can be free a year, energy." And I said, "Oil, ejumedieno, I did this. Free they are alleged to have extorted hundreds of millions of cedis and foreign currency from bulk oil transporters and oil marketing companies under the guise of official duties, and subsequently laundered the process through property acquisitions and business entities to conceal their illicit origins." And yes, this is what happened. I mean, sometimes over core office, public office, and as a buy office, bisa ukope bibia no, ubetuetua sikasa, ubetua we yes for Ebra. Funny enough, some of these sikaya yajiji and from no baby so ubetimi o say ebenya receipt the amount. And see ebenya receipt the amount and chese ni nyina da kwan say o say eje o say scam no. And the only issue we are abeya with the honorable Mustafa Abdul Hamid and 9 others. There are other companies they are also associated. And yede ni nyina so ebema on our screens not more share. And some 9 others, some of them are companies. Omo na ka ho and omagigi oil transporters omo de omo tanker ye na ye oil fa ha na de omo se na hye levies any sika bi omo gigi e wo kwan mu before ube procure oil and every one particular point to another point ni wo tuetu sika bebre na sika we and amount to a particular amount bi It is very huge. And I think already government say, oh, say we the bicycle home for only free. But we the OSP Amaya who said no. This is an amount of money. Yet me jai Emma Kokwa. Omo J Oman General so. And the amount so say in Ghana cities no your over 291 million Ghana cedis. Any sika or more EGG every free yes, these oil transporters for and in dollars also we are 332,000 dollars 407 and or more EGG. So that is what we have on our screens. Sir, the summary of this particular case, Mustafa Abdul Hamid and then 9 others. The Republic has filed 54 criminal charges against officials of the National Petroleum Authority and several associated companies for alleged large-scale extortion, abuse of public office, extortion, abuse of public office, and money laundering, totaling to this amount 291,574,087 cities, 19 pesos. And I have dollars, and also I say $332,407, respectively. The accused are alleged to have extorted hundreds of millions of cedis and foreign currency from bulk oil transporters and oil marketing companies under the guise of official duties, and subsequently laundered their proceeds through property acquisitions and business entities to conceal their illicit origins. And he said, this is from the page of the Office of the Special Prosecutor who pays Angasa and my summary, now the accused persons said some of them are companies, some of them are individuals. I say Mustafa Abdul Hamid, number 1, Jacob Kwamina Amwa, and also number 2, Wendy Newman, and also number 3, Albert Ankra, Isaac Mensa, Bright Media Mensa, Koku Abwaje Aqua, now we issue a Probnest Limited, and a Care Logistics Limited, and Keynes Energy Limited. Now we and OSP Abwa Amasesi Asanko Fukwe, a GDP more assets or more properties. Or my Japa DNA near some of them landed properties if any added. This is what we have: assets seized, some of them frozen pending a trial. Some of them the accounts are frozen. First of all, vehicles. The identity of vehicles including tanker trucks, fuel stations, houses, apartments, and parcels of lands valued at over 100 million Ghana cedis. So this particular case, as you see, the OSP is telling us that it has moved from 25 case counts to 54 case counts. As you see here, Yenya report at the every Office of the Special Prosecutor Amano Ababe Kayensa. And yes, the OSP is working or boy Juma behind the scenes sometimes to or about maintain with press conferences, no about updating. Yes, I can update Libya. Not yet they are bremo. So with the courts resuming from vacation, instead of being kind, most of the courts now are on vacation. They say more resuming. These are the cases OSP is actively prosecuting on your behalf, with more cases to be found in the last quarter of the year. Earlier this year, 7 individuals were convicted through plea bargains. So the OSP in court, who is on trial in 2025, it's the first case. Courts no resume here. Yaba beka ho nsem, and as I hear they ba court ya ka ho nsem. That is number 1 on your screens. Also, the Republic versus Mustafa Abdul Hamid and 9 others. Omasem no ebeko court ama yakahwasem whilst the court is resuming. The Republic versus Ejeni Boateng J, and also only the Republic OSP agent on behalf of the Republic. Now omo ed akasa same way. Then number 3, Republic versus Smiler Abdul Rahman, and also ni case, and also ebeba na yedi sa asem no whilst the court is resuming no. Then number 4, also the Republic versus Charles Bisu and 2 others, and also another court case. This is also on trial. The Republic versus Alexander Kwabena Safo Kantanka. That one too is on appeal. And he ever court resume, you ever appeal no more abano na di juma from the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor. The Republic versus Isa Seidu and 3 others. And once the courts resume, no, with courts resume from vacation, no, these are the cases. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, Babeshana Omu Edi Ehunjuma. And yes, a lot of these cases now, a lot of scandals are so the former government and the past governments, no, or more abaimu. And in as much as the OSP, NIB, the rest, the CID, follow cases, no, yes, not yeah, mama updates, and mama who said some of these cases, no, they say OSP, omo ejemu, omo egusua, omo edi hujuma, and he said they did no, honorable Napo, on Muhammad Dubik Modiana, Attorney General, documents Nicodine in Sa, Ama, CCI, OSP, the other two just say, court ni resume there, Omoka, a year or one, they will be a year on trial, no, and yes, Yaresha, now follow a year and semi, then we see the outcome of these issues. And same say, especially on ECG, what's here na ayare hosem pa 9 billion Ghana cedis. And yes, kakitwa. I mean, cardi ye the also the year crank. I mean, hard. Say yamo 3 billion. Use 3 billion. 3 billion and that's a crown one for the also the year. Yes, unnecessary procurements. Minimum on then may cry you is electricity post and as a light post. Also, and if I be praying, who use people were in need of transformers. Transformers and now they buy SNK here. And process because once the transformers are in, we need more electricity poles and cables. So let me transmit electricity power to homes any other. Yes, but to brought the figure to 9 billion Ghana cedis. Okay, you ready actually.